about to show you how using this tool with that link down below is going to get you phone numbers for thousands of leads in seconds on Google search. Guys, this is an incredible tool, so let's get straight into it. So you want to open up your extension, okay, and type in your keywords you want. So we're going to put coffee shops and put it in some random places and press start. Once you've done that, a new tab's going to open, okay, for the Google search, and it's going to start doing your scraping. Now, if you open up the extension again, you'll see it's in the process. So guys, if we want to find these phone numbers, all right, we got to let it do its thing. Other businesses right now are clicking on every single link they see. They type in one keyword, coffee shop in Ontario, into the Google search, and they type on every single link they see. This does hundreds in minutes. No longer do you have to go through every single site. Is it a real site? Is it a scam site? Is this the real number? Is this the number that's in date? When's the opening time? Things like this, all right? We're going to get you all the information you need, phone numbers, everything, even the metadata, okay, for this, and put it in a spreadsheet for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to download it as well. So you can see we're about to go over the 1,000 mark, okay? So we're getting about 1,000 averagely different ones for 7 keywords. Now what you want to do is download. So press export and download as CSV. Once you've done that, it's going to download at the bottom of your screen. You can see there, once you want to drag that into a Google file, a fresh Google file. Once it opens in there, guys, you need to open this with Google Drive because it'll give you the best format, okay? So double click it or right click it and open, and then press at the top, open with Google Sheets. Once it's open with Google Sheets, you'll see it's in its perfect format, and you have everything here: the keyword, the title, the URL, the phone, email, Facebook, LinkedIn, everything, okay? All the way up to, like I said, the meta description. Guys, this is incredible. So we're looking for phone numbers. This would take you so long. So many times I've been on websites and the phone numbers don't even work anymore, okay? So if we go over to phone numbers, I'm actually gonna show you how many we managed to get scraped on here. So guys, let me scroll all the way down here, and I want you to put an estimate in the comments. I like doing those in the videos because it is incredible. Put an estimate, how long would it take you to just get 100 numbers? Okay, 100 numbers. And again, look at the bar at the bottom of this YouTube video, all right, and check the time, because look how quick it took us. And I'm going to show you how many numbers we actually got. Now guys, everything on here is on the public domain, so there's no problem with us scraping all this information. All it does is make your business a lot easier to manage and to develop and scale. All right, people are still out there clicking on links. They pay people to click on links all day. It's insane, okay? You might as well click that one link down below and get this tool that'll do it for you. So we have a total, let me check the count, of 1,642. Guys, how long would it have took you to do that? Now guys, how do you download this Google search scraper? Go over to leadsniper.com, products, and go to the Google search scraper. Scroll all the way down the new tab that is open, and it will show you exactly all the information of what it will extract. Okay, but to buy this, you need to go to the bottom, past the videos, past the sheets, all the way to where it says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, with a lifetime access, a one-time payment of $149, you will get the extension for one installation on the starter pack. Okay, click buy now. If you want the popular pack, get the $267 one-time purchase, remember, for 5 installations. Now, guys, if you want to be fantastic like me, get the $389 pack, because that gets you the best value out there, and you get 10 extensions in total, plus all the features that we spoke about. Simple as that. Just click buy now or scroll down to download the free version to try it out right there at the bottom. Guys, if you liked it, please let me know by hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.